Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Yonder robot vacuum. So this is going to be an unboxing video. Let me show you what this package brings. So let's get into it. So let's see what this brings inside. So you have your robotic vacuum right here. Brings a remote control. Brings two AAA batteries. It brings the filter and a brush. It brings 4 bristle. You have your charging base and it has the plug. So let me show you how to put it all together now. The way to install this, you just insert it right on top of here. So what you do is just push it down. And now you're ready to go. And it brings these 2 extra bristle brushes just to switch them out once these get ruined. So this is where it captures all the dust and dirt right inside this orange hole. So you have your on and off switch right here, and you have your charger port right here. This is the power on, and once you click this, this is to send it to the home base to charge it. So it's recommended to charge this for 6 hours on the first use. So this is how the robotic vacuum works. It's sensing the areas and picking up all the dirt. When it hits an object, it will back up and then it will go around again. So it easily transitions from tile to foam pad to wooden floors seamlessly. Overall, this is a great robotic vacuum cleaner. I like how easy it is to set up and use. I also like how it comes with a convenient remote control that you can either charge it with the charging base, or if you just want to plug it in directly to the plug. I also like how easy it is to clean the dust tank right here, and it comes with the filters to remove the dust and all the allergens from the floors. And I also like how it has the big wheels on the bottom, so it could easily go over different level floors, and it could pick up all the different types of the dirt from the floor. And the battery life lasts a very long time on a single charge.